Exclaim with class. Using exclamatory sentences in formal English. Hello, learners. Welcome to another exciting video where we dive deeper into the world of English grammar. Today, we're going to explore a topic that is not commonly discussed: exclamatory sentences in formal language. Yes, you heard it right. Exclamations can be formal too. Exclamatory sentences, as the name suggests, are used to express strong emotions or surprise. They typically end with an exclamation mark. For instance, "What a lovely sunset." But when it comes to formal language, we often think exclamatory sentences are out of place. However, they can be employed in formal contexts, albeit sparingly and carefully. In a formal setting, exclamatory sentences should still express strong emotion or surprise, but they must do so in a restrained, polished manner. Using sophisticated language and avoiding slang or overly casual phrasing is key. For instance, instead of saying, "Wow, this report is impressive," in a formal setting, you might say, "What an exceptional report." Remember, excessive use of exclamatory sentences in formal language can come off as unprofessional or emotional. Limit their use for moments where they are most effective, such as expressing admiration, gratitude, or extreme surprise. For example, in a formal award acceptance speech, one might say, "What a tremendous honor this is." Let's look at some more examples to better understand the use of exclamatory sentences in formal language. 1. In a professional review, "What an extraordinary performance it was." 2. In a business meeting, "Such remarkable progress we have made this quarter." 3. In a formal letter, "How grateful I am for your continued support." In each of these examples, the exclamatory sentence maintains its sophistication and does not detract from the formality of the situation. There you have it. Exclamatory sentences indeed have a place in formal English. Remember, the key is to use them sparingly, ensuring they express strong emotion in a sophisticated manner. We hope this video shed light on how exclamatory sentences can be used in formal settings without compromising the gravity or professionalism of the situation. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the vast, intriguing expanse of the English language. Happy studying!